Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to send voice text messages on Android step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Messages app. You can easily find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. In the menu, tap on the Start Chat option. Then, select the contact you want to send a voice text message to. Step 3. Once you've selected the person, locate the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on it. Step 4. A menu will appear with various options like Gallery, GIFs, and more. Step 5. To send a voice text message, tap and hold the microphone icon. While holding it, speak your message clearly. Once you're done, simply release your finger to stop recording. Step 6. If you want to check if your message sounds right, just tap the play button to listen to it. If everything is good, confirm by tapping the send button. And that's it. You've successfully sent a voice text message on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.